I'm excited about this one. It's a log cabin in Bella Vista. Look at the fountain.
Come on, Romeo.
Hi.
Hello, you guys.
Hello.
Welcome.
This is beautiful. Good to see you. This is like a resort. This is amazing.
It's a resort that needs a little of your love.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, just a little.
We love the house exterior and we love the view. But the inside was built in the 80s and done by somebody who had 70s taste. So a lot of ornate light fixtures and brass. The spiral staircases were a little weird with shag carpeting. And I'm looking for it to being welcoming, a place where kids and dogs can show up and we'll just have a great family time.
First things first, how much do you have to spend on this project?
$250,000.
All right, we can do a lot with that. So let's talk about outside. What do you guys like? What do you want to change?
Well, we like the cabin look. There's things we don't like. There's lots of 80s here.
Yeah?
Okay.
The globes, for instance.
We can change that.
Yeah,
that's easy to change
that's
up.
super
And the rocks, it's just, it looks very messy.
Tell me about the fountain.
Okay, well, this is not truly a fountain. This is actually the drain for the heating and air conditioning.
Oh.
It's geothermal.
Geothermal. I love that.
Right.
Super
Wow.
efficient.
And then it drains, goes underneath the house, and goes down a waterfall on the backside.
I think the plan really is to update the landscaping, update the fountain, make it a little more modern, get you new lighting, a new garage door, and we want to preserve the log cabin look.
Sounds good.
Agreed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we go inside? I want to see the rest of this place. Wow, look at this door. There's a lot of wood in here. What are your thoughts on the wood?
You want it painted? Do you want it whitewashed?
Lightening it up would be wonderful.
Yeah. Okay, so in here, we'll add new flooring, paint some of this wood, and paint the trim. Then we'll update the lighting to really modernize this whole space. What's happening here?
Like a little catwalk or something.
It's a lot.
This spiral staircase is not ideal.
No, it's a little scary.
Huh, this is actually pretty big up here.
This is nice.
These don't feel safe, though. I would never let a kid up here.
No.
Yeah, it's definitely not code.
Yeah,
No,
okay.
no, it's not.
All right, let's go to the
heard it.
kitchen. All right, this is a big kitchen, you guys.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Oh, this is where the view is, right here.
Look, that's beautiful.
This is where I fell in love with this place.
Oh, yeah, I would guess so. Wow, this is a huge room. What do we want to do in this bedroom?
Just restful, peaceful. We're not crazy about carpet anywhere.
Okay.
Really, to have it just flow all the way through would be
Love
great.
that.
The same flooring.
surface.
Yeah.
We're not big fans of the carpet.
Sure.
But other than that, it's not bad.
Sure, okay.
There is so much potential for this house. They want to get here. They want to be here. So we just need to, bring it to that next level. I really want to see this floor. Are we good, Joe?
I think so.
Let her down, we can roll it. I am loving being at the Robinsons' house. It's going really well. All the carpet's up. All the kitchen is out. We took out that strange bedroom door in the kitchen, and we're closing it in. We're also moving ahead with the electrical and plumbing. We are down to a shell, and now we're framing back. We want to preserve the integrity of the logs.
Sure.
We want to make it look new again. It's flaking, it looks like it's failing. I mean, like the caulking and it just doesn't look right.
No, it's not right. This is it's a really heavy caulk. There's a whole process of doing this where it comes out really smooth.
Right.
So what we'll be doing today is we're gonna hit it with a media blaster with corncob media.
Okay.
And then we'll just take this down to like furniture quality bright wood, and we'll be able to stain on brand new wood.
Man, I love this. I love that you're here. Thank you. And if I can get involved at all, just let me know. I'll be
Oh man,
around.
we want you to be involved.
Okay. The front of this house looks amazing with the logs cleaned and pressure washed. The custom cabinets for the kitchen are here and getting set in place.
We're framing out the big new window we added to create an outside view in the loft. In the main bedroom, it feels cozy and homey with a mint green paint. The crew is wrapping up painting the walls a warm, creamy white that really complements all the natural wood. And we painted the beams to brighten them up. The fixtures and the shower door have been installed in the main bathroom. We have our pendants being installed. Oh, down, right there.
Half inch above the
Yeah.
top of the mirror.
I love these. Aren't these fun, these bulbs?
Yeah, they're really cool.
The electrician's here, finishing up, getting lights hung. And the appliances are going in.
Perfect. Outside, we're applying a clear coat finish that will keep the logs looking clean for decades.
It looks so good. It
Great,
looks so
great.
much cleaner and fresher,
It
you
does,
know?
it
It looks
does.
like a real log cabin. I love it.
Yeah.
We've got the new fountain up and running, and we're refreshing all of the landscape.
Okay, home stretch.
I am so excited.
Thank you. Oh, driving up to it's gonna be amazing.
My goodness.
Oh,
It's beautiful. I love this. I love it, love it, love it.
Hello!
Welcome home. Thank you. It's amazing.
Get in here, get in here.
Oh, there's so much to take in.
The fountain is probably my favorite part of the outside.
Beautiful.
It was just so awkward before. The lady's gone.
She actually ended up at my sister and brother-in-law's house. Dave pulled a little prank.
As a little prank.
Now you guys have upgraded, and I just love this fountain. It's so beautiful and peaceful, and it really fits with the surroundings out here because this whole place is so beautiful and peaceful.
Thank you for getting rid of the balls.
Yes.
Those carriage lights look spectacular.
And do you notice that the logs are cleaned up? They have a fresh stain, a fresh seal on there.
I love the log color. It's just really pretty.
Yes.
Brings back the natural log.
Look at the
That is beautiful. It's been redone and I love it.
Oh, wow.
This is beautiful.
That is fabulous.
This is just so beautiful.
Look at the fireplace.
I like the mantle.
I love the walls.
Love it, love it, love it.
These boards had that yellow tint, so considered whitewashing them, but decided to just paint it all white and left the logs above. So you really have some warmth, and then you have this beautiful fireplace.
It feels homey and cozy, and like this is just where I want to hang.
So you have a little sitting area here in front of your fireplace. Tried to break it up and create kind of zones for you. This is where the spiral staircase was.
Yes. That is unbelievable. You guys really did an awesome job.
It looks like it always should have been this way. Before the spiral staircase was over there, you couldn't really enjoy those windows.
Exactly.
Now we can stand at those
yes.
windows.
So should we go check that out there?
I think we should.
Okay,
Yes,
all right.
Yes.
And the flooring. I love the flooring.
Yes,
It's
good.
perfect.
It's nice and light, and it's also indestructible.
You put a new window in here.
Yes, I know, and now you can look out the beautiful view. So this space, I love. We actually kept the original pine floors.
I just thought they were too cool to cover up with another floor.
This is awesome.
Love it.
We love it. This is really good.
I decided in here to close one side in a little bit, and then we have the handrail on this side. So it gives you space for a desk. And before, it just felt like this weird catwalk, but now it feels like a room. So we actually don't have a door right here. We just gave you a nice little hallway here.
Look at this light.
That's a great light. Wait, I don't recognize this place at all. This doesn't look like our bedroom. This is beautiful.
Oh, it's so pretty. I can't even believe this is the same place.
So you remember the door was over here, but now we have a nice little sitting area, and it looks right out to the front, and you can see your fountain.
It's beautiful. Oh, you nailed it.
But of course,
it.
we added this whole hallway here that wasn't here before.
Yep.
So let's go check out
Let's
this
go right.
first door on the right.
Look at this.
Wow, this is our bathroom?
Look at this is our bathroom.
Look at the size of the shower.
Countertop. It's beautiful.
Beautiful
Everything.
light fixtures.
I love everything about it.
This bathroom is really just that clean, kind of Nordic inspired, very modern, crisp. You got the warmth of the wood on the cabinetry. I just love this. It's very clean and pretty.
This is spectacular. It is so nice.
Okay, so now we've saved the best for last. The kitchen,
go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
Get out of here.
This is so big and beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I love these counters.
Look at the size of the center island. That is fantastic. We're ready for breakfast burrito.
That's right, that's right.
Oh, this is
And we can
unbelievable.
cook for a crowd. There's 6 burners, nice big oven. Beautiful range.
Isn't that beautiful? Dave made that.
Oh, and open shelving.
We have the countertop cabinets here, and then the open shelving just really frame out this beautiful view.
Is this where we used to have this weird pantry thing going on here?
Yes.
And the weird door going into the bedroom.
Yes. We're gonna spend a lot of time here. This is really great.
We didn't even tell you how much we love coffee.
And I love the green on these cabinets, really ties in with the outside. And I wanted this whole space to feel very natural and organic. And these are the best windows and the best view in the entire house. And they were in that one weird room.
Yes.
That felt like a hallway.
Yes. So now it's a beautiful dining space.
This is absolutely amazing what you've done. It's unbelievable. It's so nice.
Just to see you having lots of family here. I'm so excited for all of the laughter and the joy that's gonna happen around this giant island.
I'm just really grateful for Jenny and Dave because it is far beyond anything we could have ever expected or done on our own. This is the place we envisioned as the hub of our family where memories will be built, and we're looking forward to spending so many more years here. Well, thank you so much.
Oh my
It's
God.
beautiful.
Absolutely. All in all, really cool log house.